Hi guys, Mr. Thompson here. We're going to verify this identity, and I'm going to start with these tangents over here. So I'm going to change them into sines and cosines because you know I like to do that first. So cosine alpha minus beta over cosine alpha cosine beta equals 1 plus the tangent becomes sine alpha over cosine alpha times sine beta over cosine beta. Now, I notice on the right side that I've got some denominator stuff going on, and let's make some common denominators. So 1 plus sine alpha sine beta over cosine alpha cosine beta. The 1 needs to have a common denominator, so I'm going to make it cosine alpha cosine beta over cosine alpha cosine beta. I multiplied the 1 by the same denominator on the top and the bottom. Oops, not equals, so that's a plus, excuse me, plus sine alpha sine beta over cosine alpha cosine beta. Now, I've got a common denominator, I can put them together, and I've got cosine alpha cosine beta plus sine alpha sine beta. So notice all I've done now is done my same over cosine alpha cosine beta. My same tips and tricks that I've always done, which is change tangents into sines and cosines and make common denominators. Now I see this big ugly mess over here on the right, but on the left I've got the same denominator. So that's awesome. So my last step here is to make the numerators match. And I now see this cosine alpha minus beta, and I remember my formula that we just learned, which is that when I see cosine of alpha minus beta, the cosines are the same. So cosine alpha cosine beta, matching cosines. But the sine, S-I-G-N, is different, plus sine alpha, sine beta, and voila, QED, we got it all done. Have a good one.